Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make cold cucumber soup. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So firstly we have to peel a cucumber. Now we have to cut it into smaller pieces, enough to fit easily in the food processor. Now we add an avocado. The pit you can keep and use to make natural cosmetics, but we won't talk about it now. We need only the pulp. We also cut it into smaller pieces. Now we blend everything together. Now we add the water after fermented cucumbers. One fermented cucumber. Lemon or lime juice. Cold pressed oil. I use linseed oil. You can also add natural apple vinegar. We blend everything together again. Now it's time for a clove of garlic. And some soaked sunflower seeds. From the spices, add salt, and marjoram. Our soap, depending on the preferences and power of the food processor, we can blend into a smooth, uniform mass or leave some lumps in it. To make it more uniform, you can also omit the sunflower and not blend it with the rest of the ingredients. Now we put our soap in a bowl. And add finely chopped dill to it, which will add even more fresh flavor to our cooler. And it's ready! Simple and quick to make soap, perfect for the approaching heat, is ready. Bon appetit!